Welcome to JJsL Insight, where clarity meets creativity. Today, we are unveiling the full spectrum of Microsoft 365, a dynamic suite of apps designed to elevate your workflow, ignite your imagination, and streamline your success. Let's begin with the power players, the apps that fuel your everyday brilliance. Word transforms blank pages into beautifully styled documents with intelligent formatting and writing suggestions. Excel empowers you to decode data, build smart dashboards, and automate calculations with ease. PowerPoint helps you craft cinematic presentations with stunning visuals and seamless transitions. Outlook keeps your communication sharp, your calendar synced, and your day in perfect rhythm. OneNote is your digital canvas, ideal for brainstorming, sketching, and organizing thoughts. Access and Publisher, exclusive to Windows, offer advanced data control and elegant print designs. Microsoft 365 is built for connected creativity. OneDrive gives you secure, cloud-based access to your files, anytime, anywhere. SharePoint powers team sites and shared libraries for seamless collaboration. Teams brings together chat, meetings, and co-authoring in one vibrant workspace. Loop introduces live components that update across Word, Outlook, and Teams in real time. Planner and To-Do help you visualize tasks, track progress, and stay laser-focused. Forms and Bookings simplify feedback and scheduling with elegant interfaces. Yammer and Viva foster community, connection, and employee well-being. Unleash your inner designer with tools that make creativity effortless. Designer lets you build eye-catching graphics with AI-powered layouts and brand-ready templates. Clipchamp turns raw footage into polished videos with transitions, music, and voiceovers. Sway helps you tell interactive stories with scrollable, web-based presentations. Stream hosts and shares videos securely, perfect for tutorials, announcements, or internal training. Step into the future of productivity with intelligent automation. Copilot is your AI-powered assistant, ready to write, summarize, analyze, and visualize across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Power Automate builds smart workflows that eliminate repetitive tasks. Power BI transforms raw data into interactive dashboards and actionable insights. Power Apps lets you create custom apps. No coding required. Microsoft 365 isn't just a toolkit. It's your creative engine, your collaboration hub, your digital command center. Subscribe to JJsL Insight for deep dives, tutorials, and templates that help you build smarter, faster, and bolder. Let's unlock your full potential together.